Guys, I'm here today to explain Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2017 February March mail merge part of this question paper. Previously we are done with the presentation, database and documentation. Now we are moving forward towards mail merge. So let's see what they ask us to do here. A letter will be sent to customers whose finished products are ready. So prepare a mail merge letter using the file m2017mail.rtf. So we'll open that file, mail.rtf. Yes. Next step is we need to prepare this one as our master document, and m2017 order field need to be connected as a source file to it. So mailing start with letters, then with existing field, and then you need to choose from desktop the file from this folder with orders. Now you see these fields are enabled now to be merged. Next step they have mentioned, in the master letter replace date with today's date. Field today's date should be in the format of dd, mmm, y, and y. So I'm just going to change the date here by clicking on insert and then quick parts, then field, then date, and I'm going to choose a format where the whole month name. Yes, that is done. And next step they have said insert relevant merge field from data source file to replace text in Chevrons, for example field. So you need to now replace, like here they say title, first name and surname. So title, then first name, then surname. Make sure the format of your document is not disturbed. So address 1 with address 1, town with town, choose town. Then after postcode we'll choose the postcode. Then again here they ask us to insert a merge field with the first name and then with the description here, then the product code, and then that's it, I guess. Yeah, and here they ask us to insert your name, center number and candidate number. So your name, then after your center number, then your candidate number. That's done. Here they have mentioned something, spell check and prove your document. So we'll press F7 button for build worth bottoms, that we are not sure about, so we just ignore this one. Ready need to be changed with the ready, and then for collection need to be changed with collection. Yes, that's it. Click on OK. And next step is display the master letter, display the field code. So what you need to do is you need to just mention here, right click, and then the toggle field code. Each and every one need to be toggled so that the examiner is confirm about your merge field codes. So you just need to toggle the fields like that. If you mention few of them even it's okay, but they always prefer to toggle all of them so the examiner is confirm about your practice. Now next is they mention place in your evidence document, screenshot the code for the format of date field only. So we need to print screen, and here as evidence number 9 date field code, just save it and again crop it just to show the date field code. That is enough. Yes, and then after the last step is to you need to print the master letter, and now merge and print only the letter for customer whose products are ready but not yet delivered. So what we need to do is we need to select the recipients here, ready for delivery but not delivered. They are ready but not delivered. So delivered here yes, and delivered no. So as they not yet delivered, so we just click on OK. But before that, if there is any other print screen or evidence, no evidence. So just click on OK, and then you just click on finish, edit individual, and click on OK. So the 3 letters will be printed for that specific people that you want to send them the letter. That is 1, 2, and that is the third one. And they ask you to print the merged letters as well, and then that's the end of this paper. Then you need to print your evidence document, which we have it here with the 9 evidences. You need to save and print this one, as well as your merged letters and your master document. That's all from this video, and hope you have learned how to use mail merge in paper 2. We'll see you in next video. Subscribe the channel to get more updated videos.